start work, you don't dey go?
It is better I leave. Oh yes, it's better I take my leave before somebody's blood will be on my hands. Since yesterday that I entered this house, I have seen 35.
Yes!
Georgina, why are you like this? Get up, get up, get up! Oh my God, get up! My daughter asked you to do this and you did?
She say if I don't do and she go find something tell you, make you take sack me for work, and you know say this work dey important to me.
Hey! My daughter asked you to be in this position. You obeyed her. Eh? Oh my goodness. Why is this girl trying so hard to rubbish my efforts in bringing her up the right way? Why? What have I done wrong? Where did I go astray, for goodness sake? Eh? Georgina, please go back to your duty post.
Okay, thank you, ma.
My goodness. Hi. Goodness me.
Oh my gosh! Like, how did that even happen? What?
Cynthia, how dare you ask Madam Georgina to pick a pin? Eh?
Who's Madam Georgina? Oh, you mean algebra? Well, I asked her to make food for me. She made something I didn't understand. It wasn't even as hot as I wanted it. So I had to punish her so that next time she wouldn't do that kind of thing again.
You punished a woman that have children that are older than you? Eh? Cynthia, let me tell you. Let today be the first and the last time you'll try this nonsense. Are you hearing me? How dare you do that?
You shouting at me because of that lady? Because of that woman? I'm your only daughter, your only child.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. Listen, you have to try and respect her.
What do you mean?
You know, she's just like a mother to you. Eh? Okay, I'm so sorry. Tell me, what would you want me to buy for you? What do you want me to get for you?
The way you were shouting at me like that.
I said, I'm sorry now. Just talk to me. What do you want me to get for you? Just mention it, I'll get it for you. Mention it.
Anything?
Yes, whatever.
Okay. I want chocolate. I want lots of chocolate. I want like 10 bars of them. And I want pizza, 2 boxes of pizza, freshly made ones.
It's okay. I'll get them for you, okay? I hope you are good now. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey. Hey, what can I do this girl? Which kind of wahala be this now? For how long I won't continue with this one? I don't tire, oh. I don't tire for this small girl, oh. Her insult don't they get out of hand. I'm tired of... I no fit endure again. I no fit. God, why now? God, find me work for another place. I don't tire. Which kind thing be this? The worst part be say the mama go soon travel. And she dey told say she won't keep her under my care. I fit take care for person way pass me. I want take care for that one. That one no pass me. I never feel care for myself. That person I won't care for. Ha. My head oh. Which kind of wahala be this? This waste too na him worse pass. This pikin no even know say waste dey pay me before. Which kind of wahala be this now? Cynthia.
Mom, how about you call me Sissy Baby? That's my name, not Cynthia.
Meaning what? I didn't name you Sissy Baby or Sissy whatever. I named you Cynthia. And I must address you as Cynthia.
Okay.
Anyways, I'll be traveling to the States anytime soon.
Yeah.
Just to remind you, be of a very good behavior.
Mom, I don't like the fact that you're leaving me without Ojibra of a woman.
Who is Ojibra?
Sorry, Miss Georgina.
Mom, I don't like this place. Just take me with you, huh? Please.
Listen, let me tell you. This environment is your environment. This is your place. You have to be here to learn our culture and tradition.
Look, Mom, I can do it from the States. I mean, I can just go on the internet and search for how to be here, how to be like people.
You cannot do it there. You can't. You have to be here to learn the culture, the tradition, our own way of life. That's why you must be here to learn it all.
But I don't like this place. I don't like it. I want to go with you, please.
Listen, you will like it. You will learn how to adjust. All these things I'm doing is for your own good, though. So you have to stay here to learn.
I'm angry. I have friends there.
You will make new friends here. Huh?
No.
Just calm down. It's for your own
No,
good.
don't talk to me. The only way we can communicate now is if you promise me that I'll go to the States with you.
No, you have to stay here.
Mommy, please, please, please.
Learn to adjust, my daughter.
How am I gonna adjust to this kind of place? The only thing fine in this place is this house. Yeah, that's because we're rich. Can you just take me to that place with
Don't worry.
you?
You will like it.
Leave me alone. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Don't talk to me.
Oh my goodness, very funny girl. If I leave Cynthia under Georgina's care and go back to the States, the aim of leaving her here in Nigeria will be defeated. Yes, obviously. Georgina is being controlled by Cynthia. Not the other way around. Yes, I need someone that will instill fear and discipline in that girl, since I have failed to do that. Yes, I know someone.
Small madam.
Algebra.
I greet you, small madam.
Look at you. Always disorganized one way or the other.
Greetings, small madam.
Whatever. I came to remind you. You should know by now that my mom is traveling back to the States. Now listen and listen good. While she's away, you will now address me as Big Madam. No more small madam or whatever you call it. You hear me?
I hear. I don't hear, small madam.
Good. Because if we have any problem, you know how it is whenever we have a problem, right?
I understand. Ma.
Just try to be of your best behaviors, because I will deal with you mercilessly if you have any problem with me.
God no go let us get problem for this life.
Now, get out of my sight.
Thank you, small madam.
Out.
Thank you, ma.
Run with the water. Yeah, kind of like a penguin.
Excuse me. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. They're really neat. And I've been growing them for months now. Please, can you just... I don't want to wash these plates. It's gross. Please.
Are you done?
Please.
Cartoon. Are you done displaying? When it's time for you to eat, your nails will not be good, overgrown. You will swallow it and mess everywhere up. But it's now time for you to wash And you are telling me cook and boo story. My friend, wash before I...
Wait. Don't go with violence, okay? Don't go with violence, okay? I'm just trying to...
Wash!
This is so irritating. Like, this is disgusting. Please, this sponge is dirty. It's really dirty. Can I get another sponge?
If I flog you, wash! Start washing!
I'm coming. Look, I have a staff to do this for me. She's well paid for it.
Really?
Can she do it? Please.
What a melodious song. What a happy, beautiful, and a family song. Please, who wrote this song?
What?
Where? You have a maid that can properly do it.
Yeah.
While you lie down and sleep. Always talking and acting like for a foreign pussycat. My friend, will you wash those plates before I
Look, I can tell my mother to pay you. What do you want? Dollars? Pounds? Euros? Anything you want. Any amount you want. She can give you as much as you want, please. I can't wash these plates. Look at the way I'm sweating. I don't usually sweat. I'm golding. I'm a princess. Stop this. Stop doing this to me, okay?
You tell your mom to give me dollars.
Yeah, she'll give you money. I promise you, my mom listens to me. Anything I tell her to do, she does it immediately. So I'll just put a phone call across now and tell her to give you like $100 or $200 and she'll give it to you. Yeah.
You know what? You will call your mother for me.
Okay.
Tell her that I said you are going to wash this plate now. Wash! Stop washing!
I'm trying.
Wash! Put your hands in there! Wash!
Wait, how am I supposed to do this? What kind of dream was that? Wait, how can I be washing? Ew! With a man behind me? No, this is a bad dream. I need to pray against this. No, God. Help me. I don't want to ever wash plates. Never in my life. I want to stay like a princess. I want to have staff around me. People who serve me. I don't want to ever soil my hand, my nails in those things. Oh, God. Oh.
Hello, Nurse Chizzy. How much? This one pass me. I will get back to you. This one pass me.
Georgina!
Madam!
Georgina, I'm calling you.
Madam.
Why is your face like this?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Georgina, you are not fine. What is wrong? Talk to me. Feel free. What's the problem?
My pikin no well. You know when they take care of her for house, they make her go carry her, they go hospital.
Is that why you're crying?
I don't get money where I go take her and go hospital.
So where is your son now?
He's in for house with his siblings.
But what is even wrong with you? I've told you to feel free to talk to me anytime you have challenges. Why can't you just tell me the situation of things?
I'm sorry, madam.
Okay, see what we're going to do now. Go and change your dress. Let me get my car key so we take your son to the hospital. All paid on me. Don't worry, yes. All paid.
Thank you.
No, please, don't stop.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, ma.
Sorry, What is it?
Mom, I had a nightmare.
You had a nightmare?
Yes, a bad one.
Please tell me about it.
So I was washing plates. Mom, I was washing plates. Me. And there was this man behind me. He was dressed like an ancient headmaster or whatever I would call it. He was so tattered with his coat and everything. And he told me that if I don't wash the plates, he's going to flog me. He was holding this kind of scary cane. I had to wash the plates, Mom. I washed the plates.
You washed the plates?
Yes.
In your dream?
Yes, Mom, I washed the plates in my dream.
That means it's a good dream.
What, Mom? No, it's a bad dream.
No, for you to wash plates in the dream means it's a good dream.
Mom, think about this. That means that very soon we'll start serving people. We'll lose all our riches. We'll go from grace to grass. We'll start washing people's plates, and if we don't get it right, they're going to flog us. That's what it means.
You're right.
Yes!
You're right. I have to pray over it.
Also, but I already prayed upstairs, and I told God that you should never let that kind of thing happen. I want to be rich, and I never want to wash plates. I cannot wash plates ever in my life, as long as I have money. Oh, I'm sure God heard my prayer.
No, you're going to pray again.
Mom, I told you I've already prayed.
No, listen, this time around we're going to pray again very, very well.
Mom, there is no need to stress. Like, it's tiring to pray very, very well.
Jasmine, let me have your hand.
Mom, look, I already prayed. And Jesus listens to children's prayer more than adults' prayer. So maybe your prayer might even cancel my prayer.
It's a lie. I'm your mother. I'm superior. Let's pray again. Let me have your hand. Your hand! The other one. Close your eyes.
They're closed.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Let this dream come to fulfillment.
No, Mom. That's not even the prayer. The prayer is, let this dream never come to pass.
No, it will come to pass.
I want to wash plates.
It's a good dream.
My nails are gonna get soiled. Look at
No, nothing will happen to your nails.
Hello? Yeah, who is this? Who gave you the impetus to call my number?
Impetus, you mean?
That's exactly what I said. Don't correct me. Who are you?
Okoro, you have not changed. I was skeptical. I thought maybe your line is no longer going through.
This voice is familiar. Who are you? See, I don't like what I hate. Introduce yourself with immediate alacrity.
Okoro, please spare me that. It's me, Pamela.
Pamela? You mean palm wine? As in Mayango?
Please, Okoro, can we meet? I need to see you, please.
Pamela.
So, Georgina, how is your son doing today?
My son, they fine now. Don't they get better? His sister call me, say, don't they eat small.
Oh, that's a beautiful good news. Thank God.
Thank you, man. Now you be my savior. If not be you, wetin I for do? Say you no answer me at that time when the thing hold me bad. My pikin for just die through.
God forbid. Please don't say that again. Anyways, I'll be stopping by the hospital. I don't know if you would like to come with me so you see your son.
No, I go later if I do fit, I do finish.
No, Georgina, I insist you come with me. Yes.
Okay.
Very generous woman you are.
Yes, I thank God for everything.
Yeah.
I hope you are enjoying the tea.
Enjoying. I'm managing it. I mean, how can I enjoy this whole thing? This is just so abnormal. I can't enjoy this. I mean, where is the teaspoon and the saucer? No! She just decided to leave those ones out of it and bring just
Just look at this. To show you how local she is. Can you imagine? How am I supposed to eat this? And this tea is very watery. It is not sweet. It is tasteless. Please. I'm just eating it because it's breakfast and I have to eat. Like.
You complain a lot. The tea is okay. There's
I'm
nothing wrong
only
with
saying
it.
what I observed. I mean, just take a look at the person that made the tea for us. Oh, please.
Madam, make her bring the sauce and the spoon, come.
It's alright. It's alright.
Just leave it and go, okay? Get out, please.
Don't worry. Just get it for me. You here?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you.
Sis.
Cynthia,
Yeah.
you complain a lot.
I'm just stating facts. I need her to correct herself so that in the future when she goes to work as a maid in someone else's house, she knows what to do. Yeah, how can she forget teaspoon? What am I supposed to use to scoop to turn the tea?
Drink your tea and stop complaining.
This tea needs sugar. Algebra! Get me sugar!
Stop that.
Just look at you. How happy are you being an overgrown parasite to someone as old as you are?
Small madam.
Shut up, I'm not done talking to you. So tell me, you had the guts to go to my mom and ask her for help. Have you forgotten who I am? Oh, I see. You're no longer scared of me. You've grown wings in this house, right? Do you know that if I just pretend to be sad or angry and tell my mom that you caused it, you're going to be sacked immediately?
I know, but true, no be me tell madam may help me. No, madam just call me, want help me by herself.
Oh, so she's now a magician or a witch or something to just want to help you. How did she know that you needed help?
I been there back here, they cry, now she can't call me. So as I come, now she see him.
Oh, I see what you did there. So immediately she called you, started to act sad and bring out tears quickly so that she can pity you and ask you what's the problem, right? Right? Huh?
So it happened.
Really?
So.
Really?
What is going on here?
Oh, what's that? Mom.
My baby. What's going on?
Nothing. It's just algebra and sorry, Madam Georgina and I were just talking, trying to settle our differences. I came to apologize to her that I'm really sorry for everything I've done to her. And she just told me that she bears no grudges against me. I'm so happy you forgave me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. I'm so happy for both of you.
Oh, thank you.
You see? I would love the both of you to relate as mother and daughter, even in my absence.
Ew, go for it.
Huh?
I mean, like, yeah, by God's grace, very soon we'll have that kind of relationship.
That's beautiful. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Okay, Georgina, please continue with what you're doing. Go and get dressed. Let's go and see your son in the hospital. And Cynthia, baby, come and join mommy to select what to
Of
wear.
course, I'm right behind you.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. Yes, Mom. Let's go.
First of all, I'm very grateful for honoring this invitation.
Fast forward, please.
Before I go into the main reason I called you, I want to tell you something.
Go on. My ears are widely elaborated to accommodate whatsoever it is. So split it out. Voice it. I'm all ears.
Something happened many years ago before we broke up.
If you step back, I will flog you like an animal. Go on your knees.
What?
So what? Close your eyes. Oh yeah, lift up. Come on, raise up your 2 hands. Raise it up. Now stand up.
What do you want me
Stand up! Oh yeah. Your head. My shoulders.
My shoulders?
Oh yeah. You know the rest, oh yeah?
My knees.
Good.
My toe.
Better. Then demonstrate it. 1, 2, go!
My head. My shoulders. My knee. Toe. My head. My shoulders.
What is that? Are you a he-goat? What? Come on, open your mouth and speak it out. Say it out, let me hear you. My head! Say my head!
head.
My shoulders.
My shoulders.
The next one.
My knees.
Good.
My toes. My head. My shoulders. My knees. My toes.
Faster.
My head. My shoulders. My knees. My toes.
More.
My head.
Fast.
My shoulders. My head, my shoulders, my knee, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knee, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knee, my toes.
All belongs to?
What?
All belongs to who?
All belongs to me.
Don't that fire you. You told the fire that your local mouth.
You're talking.
If you... all belongs to master. All belongs to who?
Oh my god, this is a bad dream. This is a bad dream. No. This is a bad dream. Bad dream. Somebody help me. Bad dream. Mommy.
What's going on?
Mommy, I had a bad dream.
What is it?
Can you believe I just had a bad dream again? Like this time, it was traumatizing. He's the one.
He's the one that did what?
Remember I told you that there was a man tormenting me in my dream, telling me to do all sort of things and holding a cane. He's the one! He's the wicked man!
That means we've been having vision all this while. Just take it easy. Mr. Okoro, meet my daughter Cynthia. Cynthia, meet Mr. Okoro, my very good friend.
What?
Is she suffering from Obanja or something?
How can this be your very good friend? This person that looks like an ancestral headmister. Oh my god!
Is she talking to me?
Just calm down.
No, I want to get it right. I beg your pardon, madam.
You will continue to beg forever because that's where you belong. Look at you! Look at your shoes! Ew, let me! His pants! Look at his coat and his cap. How can you have this kind of fashion sense and still come out like this? I don't understand. Mom, you need to send this man out of this house. He doesn't deserve to be in a house like this. Send him out! Get out of my mother's house!
Hey! One more word from you, I will chew you like chewing gum.
Oh my god!
Have you gone nuts?
Mommy, he's insulting me! You're insulting me? Like, how dare you? How dare you? This man is disrespectful. Yes, because he's supposed to be respecting people who feed him. It is people like us that feed you. Poor man. Yes! Get out of it. Mom, please, send this man out of this house. Please. Please. He doesn't deserve to be here. Oh my god.
Pamela, what is this? Is this supposed to be a daughter or a ram?
Get out!
A barking dog?
Are you
I think I made a horrible, disastrous decision coming here.
Yes, you did.
I am off.
Mr. Okoro, please, come. Mr. Okoro,
Come!
come,
What are you doing? Stop this! Don't go after him. Whatever. All I know is you should get out of this house. Mappy's already out. Oh my god. These dreams have been lately.
Don't call me.
take it easy now. Calm down. I understand. This her attitude is the reason I need a disciplinarian like you. Someone that will help me control her. I know I failed, but please, I'm so sorry. Please. Just take it easy, Pliko. Don't go.
I am disappointed at you, Pamela. Pamela, you disappointed me totally. You raised a lioness instead of a human. You were not able to tame it when she was still a cub. You allow her grow into a big female lion. And you want to throw me into lion's den for me to be devoured by that little brat. I cannot stand it. I am taking my leave, and the moment I walk out of here, I will never come back. What impetus? No, what nonsense is that to be called?
I am sorry. I know I failed in my duty as a mother. I know I disappointed you. But please, do not leave me at this point. Don't. If you leave, I can still not be able to do anything. You know, the problem is I can't even stand the sight of her tears. It disturbs me. It disturbs my spirits. That's why I need somebody like you, a capable hand.
No. Count me off. No. Just count me off because I can't stand it. With what I saw in there within few minutes, she has shown me everything in her. I will not be able to tolerate it. Otherwise, if you allow me handle her the way it is in me, you will see her grace before you come back. Oh yes, and I will do it. So please, I want to live in peace.
200,000 every month. 1.2 million naira in 6 months. And I'm paying cash before I leave to the States. Please. Free accommodation. The boys' quarters is fully furnished for you. No more stress of transportation, accommodation, feeding. Everything is at your beck and call. If you accept to take care of my daughter for me.
Are you for real?
Yes, I am for real.
How much is that again?
1.2 million naira in 6 months and I'm paying cash.
Well, money rules the world. With money, everything is possible. I cannot reject your offer because you have offer bagoto. At this juncture, I think the best thing to do is to accept the offer and then give him my best. But you have to warn her. We are going to battle it. I must make sure it's either she bend with the blowing winds or she bend.
But you still have to take it easy with her. You know she's still a baby. Just, you know what I mean.
Pamela, you are still dangling. Yes, you are still fluctuating. You move here, you move there. I want you to be stable. Stand in a place. Say what you want. Say how you want it. And consider it done. So at this time, I should be on my way until you make your decision.
Oh, I'm sorry. I accept. Do your thing.
Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow
She must change for good. I put it to you.
Yes.
Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives.
What's going on here?
What else? I'm packing my bags. I'm going to the States with you.
Cynthia, I bought one ticket for myself only.
Well, then get ready because you're going to laugh me in that plane.
Listen, you need to chill, Cynthia. Eh? Mr. Okoro and Georgina will take very good care of you.
I don't care. Don't tell me to chill, Mom. I don't care. That Mr. Okoro of a man, he's not a good person. Not a good person.
His name is not Mr. Okoro. His name is Mr. Okoro.
I don't care whatever his name is, but I cannot stay with the both of them in this house. The combination of those two old people. Huh? If it were to be only Algebra, I would have said, okay, that's a more reasonable person. But Mr. Okoro and Algebra in the same house? Oh, no. Mom.
Okay, listen to me.
Okay,
Cynthia,
I'm
listen
listening.
to me.
I'm listening.
Listen, I've already spoken with them. They are going to take very good care of you. They have promised not to make you sad. And again, if any of them makes you sad, call me on phone. I will call them to order. Yes.
Really?
Yes, I
Promise me, Mom?
Big promise.
I'll call you and then you fire them.
Yes. It's a promise.
You fire them?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
So now, should we unpack?
Okay.
That's my baby. My baby.
Okoro. You're done.
Look at the way he's sitting like he owns the house.
Everybody, just relax. Take it easy. Hmm? I'm leaving for the airport.
Wow. Chai, we're going to miss you. May the Lord guide you and protect you.
Amen. So, see you when next we see.
I'm here.
Thank you.
Bye. Same to you.
Thank you.
Here. I don't get it. What are you doing? Mr. Okoro, don't you have money manners?
Huh?
Look at the way you just look so irritating. Can't you just brush your teeth in your room? In that convenience in your room?
Well, I am not confident with whatever you call it inside. I am good to work outside. That's how I do it in my house. And that's how I do it here.
Stop talking with that thing in your mouth. It's irritating. Ew!
You little brat. Can you stay away from me? Allow me to do my thing the way I like doing it.
What did you just call me?
Little brat, that's who you are.
You just called me a little brat? Really?
You talk too much. You still talking everything.
I'll report you to my mom. And you're going to get fired. Don't worry. I'm going to report you to my mommy.
I mean, they do that one. Always crying like mosquito. No, come and teach me where to brush. Very soon you will start telling me how to bathe. Or where to eat and where to lie. I'll not blame you. You're the only child that was born abroad. My great-grandmother was born abroad too. And they were not like this. Huh? No, come and teach me how to brush. I can't tap your anya.
Okoro, you are in soup. You are in very hot soup.
But I can't phantom any soup around.
I mean, say, you don't enter trouble.
What's trouble?
I see small madam. They tell him mama for phone. See, because in tell you, say, make you no brush for outside. You can't call her wish. You call her Anima. You can't call her born throwaway. In fact, he tell her many things. The ones who I remember, the ones who I don't remember.
I never say any of those things. I never uttered such words. In fact, that little girl must be a witch. Oh, yes. That's true. She is. A witch.
So now waiting I hear and they tell her mama for phone. Oh, the same, you said don't they call her witch again. I know they will. Her mama go sack you. See that girl, she know they take her play at all. She love am. But you say, why you go dey outside they brush? You not supposed to dey outside brush now.
What is wrong with brushing outside? In my house, I brush outside too.
See, me, I tell you, you dey trouble because that woman love him pikin well. Anything when pikin talk, now in they take. As he dey now, if he sack you because of that thing when pikin tell him.
Really?
Yes. See, look now, look the environment. Even me before, I dey brush anywhere, I no sabi all that kind of thing. Now here alone am. But if you look the environment, go see it dey neat now. You're not supposed to do that kind of thing.
Georgina, that's for you. As for me, I don't have issue with anybody.
Okoro, you sure?
Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them, telling how to stand.
That serves you right. I mean, yeah, he would have just kept his mouth shut. Look at him. Ooh. Ooh. Huh. Ooh. I don't get it. What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what?
What's the meaning of this?
So I am too small for you to greet.
And who are you for me to greet you?
Oh, if you want to know who I am who I am. The first and last of my kind. So if you see me in the morning, afternoon, night, you must greet me.
I get it. For your decaying body to survive, you need greetings, right? Right? Because why would I be greeting you every second of the day? After in the morning, I'm not supposed to be greeting you at all.
Is that what you are saying to me?
Yes, that is what I'm saying to you. Now give me my remote.
I will not give you this remote until you apologize to me.
You're expecting an apology from me. You must be daydreaming, bro. Yes! Do you know how much this TV costs? You know this remote? It can buy your whole generation till the 10th.
Are you crazy?
Did you just hear me?
Yes,
Did you just hear me? Did you just... Oh, you love this old man! Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? How dare you? How dare you hit me? In my mother's house! How dare you hit me? How dare you hit me? See, the next time you try this nonsense on me again, I'm going to get a knife and I'm going to slit your neck. I'm going to make your head bow, your belts bow, everything. So this is what you're hiding under this cap. I never realized how big and deep this cap is. Okay, you old man, this is how fast you cap. I saw it before another person sees it up people's head. Yes. Now give me the remote. Give me that remote. I said. You know what? There is no need to talk too much or react too much because one phone call and you're out of this house. Just wait for me. Just give me a minute. Leave this house immediately.
She almost break my eggs. Hey! This girl is a small lion. A devourer. Ah! Hey, wait! So this is what I will see in this house. For 6 months. Now, are you sure I will not go back to my house? Because with what just happened here right now, I may lose it one day and I will turn to a murderer. And I wouldn't want to kill somebody with my bare hands because I must do that. Nonsense. How can somebody simply raise a lioness in the name of human being? And I come what many bandits? Huh?
What nonsense is that? You know what? I'm gonna call my mommy. He's gonna regret ever doing this to me.
It is barely 24 hours I left Nigeria and you have already called me like 20 times, Cynthia. What is the problem?
Mom, the worst has happened. You see that Okoro man you kept in this house? He doesn't like my happiness at all. He's bent on making me sad every minute of the day.
What did he do again?
Can you imagine?
Cynthia, I cannot imagine anything. Just go straight to the point.
Okay, I'll tell you. He came and took the remote and told me that I must apologize to him for insulting him before I can watch the TV.
You insulted him?
Does it really matter?
Do you even know who he is?
He's just a low life. Anyways, I dealt with him mercilessly. I mean, he would never try that again.
You did what?
I had to do what I had to do.
The lessons we teach, the love we give, we shape their lives. oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older,
Hey! Yes! That is what you get for being a torment in this house. Yes! I will pour water on you. You even lucky I didn't see acid or something, but I poured it on you. Nonsense!
Come and open this gate for me. Where is this gate, man? Or whatever your name is. Come and open this gate. I'm leaving this place. Open.
Okoro.
Open for me.
Okoro, what happened now? You never reach 2 days when you start work. You don't dey go.
It is better I leave. Oh yes, it's better I take my leave before somebody's blood will be on my hands. Oh yes, I have had enough in this house. Since yesterday that I entered this house, I have seen 35. So it's better I go.
But you don't tell madam.
Who cares? No, must I tell her before I take my leave? Must I tell her before I save myself? I don't care. Thank you for the sweet, glamorous, delicious, and heart-lifting food that you've been giving me since I came. I think I am done at this point in time. Continue with your cooking while I take my leave because of my life. See you some other time.
Okoro.
My own don't finish now. My own don't finish. Ami and Nage won't take up inside the house. Ami and that thing won't take up. Don't be die, I go die finish with that. My own don't just finish with that. This girl could just finish me. If Okoro fit run from am, who I be now? Where I want start from?
You don't talk your own. No be Okoro wait say thank you for your delicious meal. Thank you for your yeah. He thank me. Okoro thank me.
Na only God go judge you. This is na your name.
For say thank you for the beautiful gate where you dey open. Simple.
Yes! Finally, I have defeated that ancestral headmaster that came to this house to frustrate my life. I am now in charge fully. No one can tell me, do this, do that, come here, go there. Please. Where's that one? That algebra of a woman. Since that man came to this house, she's been acting all bold. Algebra! Algebra! What did you just call me? Algebra! Oh, this is madam. You called me. Come here. Come here. What did you just call me?
Sorry.
Didn't I tell you that as long as my mom is not in this house, I am the boss?
Yes.
So what is my name? What would you call me?
Big madam.
Again?
Big madam.
I want to hear it.
Big madam.
Shout it, I want to hear it. Big madam! You see? Your, what should I call it? Your friend, Mr. Okoro, is out of this house. Meaning I am in charge again. I don't have no obstacles. I don't have no problem. Hand me the remote. Give it to me. I need to stretch my leg. Position like a table while I watch.
Eh?
Are you deaf?
What do you talk now? No here.
You didn't hear what I said?
Position the
Oh,
table.
really? I said position yourself like a table in front of me. Do it now. Look at her. Disgusting thing. Old woman. Be flexible. Be flexible. Don't lie down comfortably. Huh? Who paid you to come here and chill? Look at her hard skin. Like, how can a human being have such a strong body? Feels like a real table. How can these television people be so daft? I don't get it. Why is my table shaking?
Sorry.
Why is my table shaking?
Sorry, big madam.
These people are so daft. Like, There's no interesting thing. They're just putting things for kids. Do I look like a baby? Just take a look at just take a look at what they're doing. No, I'm not in for this. I'm not in for it. I'd like to go to my room now. Excuse me? What are we celebrating?
I thought you said you don't tire, you won't go. So
Did I ask you to go?
Sorry.
Did I order you to leave?
Sorry.
You take orders from me and not from your silly brain. I didn't ask you to leave, so where are you going to?
Sorry, big madam.
Okay, where? I want to go to my room, but I don't have strength to move upstairs.
Just waka small, you go reach.
Shut up.
Okay.
I'm still talking to you.
Sorry.
Do not ever interrupt me whenever I'm talking.
Sorry, big madam.
So, I was saying, I cannot go upstairs, climb the stairs, walk to my room, walk to my bed. I need a horse to take me.
No horse for this environment. Like no horse at all.
There is just one horse.
We are now.
You. You're gonna be my horse. You're going to ride me to my room, and in fact, you're going to ride me to wherever I want for the rest of the day. Get it? Get it? Answer me.
I no one look for my waist. That be the problem.
As old as you are, your waist is supposed to be flexible. Yes! Yes!
Waist what they want to picking, but they flexible.
Come here.
My waist is gone.
When last did you wash this gown?
Okay, well, I this now.
Hold these slippers. Hold it. Hold it well. Are you holding it?
Yes, I'm
Get
holding
this
it.
thing off! Get it off! Okay. Hey! Stop bouncing me! Stop that! Stop bouncing me!
Okay, wait.
How can you... Stop bouncing! Bounce me one more time, you will lose your job!
Sorry.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I'd like to check if the windows are properly closed, so... Move. If I fall down.
You will not.
If I fall down.
You don't go fall. Madam, but the window's closed.
Move closer, I need to see it with my own eyes. Okay, move to the bar.
Bar. But yeah, nice bar.
Shh. Okay, the drinks are complete.
You break it all.
Over here. Complete. Alright, let's go. Wait. It's been a long time I admired this frame. Let's admire it.
Which one?
This one behind me. Ooh, beautiful. Now let's go to the room. Quick. Ride me, horse. Faster. Stop pushing me. Stop that. I just said ride, not bounce.
No amount of sorry is enough, Pamela. What are you telling me? What combination of leopard and lioness put together in one human being? What are you saying? If I pour water on my body now, it will look as if I poured hot pepper all over me. And you're telling me to go back? Never.
I'm very, very sorry.
You say you don't need to be sorry for anything. I am done. And the moment I left there, I am gone and gone forever.
I know my daughter is a piece of work, which is why I have come up with a plan that will put her right in your palms.
So what's your plan? Yeah, who is here? Open the gate for me. Mokripo.
Now who be that?
Open.
Okoro.
How are you?
Okoro, I'm fine.
Good. I hope everybody's okay.
Yes, Okoro.
Wonderful.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Okoro.
Ah,
Are you back?
yes, I am back.
Welcome.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
sorry.
Now that I am back, all protocols observed.
Yes.
I am back to stay.
Wait, what? Is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, no! How can this be possible? Oh no, this must be a dream. This must be a dream. Mr. Okoro is back! Why did he come back? Why? Why can't you just stay in his house? Stay in your poverty-stricken house. Don't come to people's house. Ah! Oh God. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? One of me.
Oh,
Welcome.
Thank
Give me
you.
carry your bag. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I am back for good.
Yes.
I am back to stay.
Welcome.
Now that I am back, all protocol observed.
Welcome.
Observed. Observed.
Hey, Okoro.
Me.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All protocol.
Observed.
Okoro.
What are you doing here? I thought you left.
I left, but now I am back for good.
What is that?
Are you blind? What does it look like? It's for you.
God forbid.
Holy Ghost fire.
Ew!
Ew! Holy Ghost fire.
This can't be happening. Gosh!
Well, if it is your mother you are trying to call, my dear, I am sorry. Your mother's number has been restricted. She will not make or answer call for now, until further notice. She called to tell me that, and she also sent some money for our upkeep.
Oh, wait.
Our upkeep.
Wait! She called you to tell you, and didn't call me her daughter?
Well, I am now in charge, the master of the game.
No, that's not happening. That is not happening. You, this ancestral head minister, you're not gonna be in charge of me. This is my mother's house. This is my house.
My dear, you have been talking too much from day one. This time around, Okoro is in charge. I am now the boss of the house. Anyway, go in and brush your teeth and come back so that I will tell you the rules and regulations as well as your duties in this house. Because from now upwards, Okoro is in charge.
So stop saying that. It is not happening. You're leaving this house. What's this? No. My mom must be joking. Cause what?
Well, the earlier the better. Please go in, brush your teeth and come out so that I will tell you what.
Pick up! Mom!
You are wasting your time. She will not answer you. I said I am now in charge. Go in, take your bath, brush your teeth, then come out so that you will start work immediately. I will give you the rules, how you are going to work, what your duties should be in this house, how you are going. In fact, everything about you is now in my hands.
God forbid that. That will never happen.
The earlier you comply, the earlier you get to it.
What?
Don't keep me waiting.
In my mom's house. My house. Look, you must be joking for that. In fact, I have another way of getting to my mom. So, here's Flash. You're leaving this house today.
You will learn in a hard way. Seriously. You must learn in a hard way. Okoro is in charge.
Nonsense. Just make a call. Don't worry. He's gonna be surprised. Because the moment I make this call... Hello? What? No, it's network. Is this place? The network is so poor. What's wrong? I can't reach her. Oh, let me try. OMG, what? Did she block me on all her social media handles? This is not possible. I have to try. Let me try here. No way! No! No! For God's sakes, no! Why would Mom do this to me? This is not fair. This is not fair. This is what? She's gonna be here all through today.
The lessons we teach, the love we give, we shape their lives, oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away.
Wait a minute. What's wrong with that Ochiber of a lady? Why hasn't she brought my breakfast to me? I mean, she's supposed to bring it here or call me. Ow. My head. Stop that noise! Stop making noise in this compound!
Small madam.
Look at you! You're drying your stinky, smelly clothes when I'm there hungry. Why haven't you brought my breakfast to me?
Sorry, small madam.
And who's your small madam? I am big madam now.
Okay. Sorry, ma.
Say it, big madam, say it.
I'm sorry, big madam.
Now, why haven't you given me my breakfast?
I go for kitchen, no, make I go cook. As I reach there, they say they don't lock kitchen.
What?
Who lock am? No, go Okoro lock and carry key.
I don't get it.
Okoro say until you apologize to am and you are ready to listen to the rules and regulations in this house, he no go open the kitchen.
What? In my house? My mother's house? I don't get it. Who put him in charge like that?
Now your mama put am because your mama call me, tell me say, no, go Okoro 9 day in charge of everything
my
now.
Mom called you?
Yes.
So wait, my mom called everyone but me. That's preposterous.
I talk and say na proportion. Because now you, madam, supposed to
My friend, I said preposterous, not proportional, whatever you call it. And you stink in all ramifications. Just get out of my way, everybody.
Randification, no. No randification, no. Now you go apologize for go for it, no concern me.
The lessons we teach, the love we give, we shape their lives, oh, forever.
Mr. Okoro. Mr. Okoro. Are you the one I'm talking to?
Will you stop that rubbish?
What did you just do?
All things shall pass away. The new things has come to stay. This is new, Okoro. So mind how you talk to me.
I'm gonna report you to my mom for attempting this kind of rubbish.
Till then, you have to get to the state first. Are you ready to apologize
Look
now?
at your mouth. You have to get to the States first. As if you've ever been there.
You still have mouth to blab. You still have the strength to do. Anyway, Are you ready to apologize now? And abide to the rules and regulations? Or you want to continue learning in a hard way?
Listen, I'm just doing this because because she's not around. But I promise you, as soon as she gets back, I'm gonna kick you out myself.
Little chaser. Let's see who kicks who out. Okoro is now in charge. Okonwa, you are now in charge. Cynthia.
What?
You are going to apologize to us one after the other.
What?
Starting from the security man. Action.
Wait. You're trying to humiliate me because my mom is not around, right? Because you and I know that if my mom was here, you would not do this kind of nonsense.
The earlier you start, the better. Action. Otherwise, I will use this sugar cane on you.
Okay. Wait. Sorry, gate man. Sorry, what's your name? Georgina?
What was that? What was that? Sorry, gate man. How dare you? What's audacity? Come on, will you apologize properly? Go on your knees and then address him properly.
Go on my knees.
Oh yes, you have to do that now. Otherwise, I use this. Now, go down on your knees. Am I not talking to someone? Address her, sir and ma. Action.
Sorry, sir and ma.
What was that? What's that? What was that? Who is sorry, sir and ma? Who is the man? Who is the sir? We don't differentiate them one after the other. Georgina here is ma, and Okoro here is sir.
That's what you do.
Shh. Are you a baby? Come on, do it properly. Fast. I am waiting.
My knees here.
I'm listening.
Look, I don't like the way you insulted me and humiliated me in my mom's house. I don't like it.
Oh, you now see how it pains. So you now see how it feels when you insult people that are old enough to be your ancestors.
Okoro, me I never reach to be our ancestor. Now suffer na keep me like this. So if I know the suffer, I be baby.
Me too. I still be small boy. I never know anything. I never sabi anything. Never tell self where I write my WAEC. I be virgin.
You're talking trash.
Oh, I can imagine that. Virgin. No, come and suck breast. Tata.
Small.
Mr. Woman, please go proceed with your apology.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, sir. You too. I'm sorry, sir. Better?
Better. And what's my name?
My knees hurt. Let me
What are you trying to do?
trying to put something
Come on. Take that off. Take it off!
It's for my kid.
The next time you open your mouth and address me as Okoro, henceforth, no more Mr. Okoro. You will address me properly. What's my name?
But it's a guy name. It's you.
The guy name fits you too. No, you could have called me Okoro. No, you can call me Archie or Ofoha. In summary, one more. Madam, can you mention my name the way it should?
Mr. Okoro.
Beautiful. And the chef is?
Madam Georgina.
Better. The security man?
Just gate man.
Eh?
I don't even know his name. I've never even had any proper conversation with him before. It's just his outside, I'm inside, so I don't have any relationship with him to call him by his name.
Okay.
Personal relationship.
My name na Okoro.
What?
No.
What is that?
Okoro.
What do you just call yourself? That's a crime! To call yourselves those type of names. It's a crime!
Auntie, can you call him by his name?
How do you... Look, I did not grow up here, so I cannot pronounce these things that...
I was also born in the bush, but I'm trying to relate with you. That was born inside heaven. Can you pronounce his name? She just mentioned it now.
Oh, God. What am I gonna
I'm
do?
waiting.
What's your name again?
Okoro.
Ew. That sounds so gross.
I'm waiting!
wait, I'm trying to put it together. Mr. Pokery Poor.
You see am. She don't change my name now to Pokripo.
You have to manage it like that. Your name, they know if you find them.
It's not in the dictionary. It's not in the books. At least.
It's okay. Talkative.
Call me.
Now you have to follow Georgina to the kitchen. She will teach you how to wash plates.
What?
And do other house chores.
Well, no. Look, I can't wash plates. Look, I've never done it in my life, and I've been growing my nails for years now. It's healthy and strong. I cannot put my hands in foam or bubbly soap or whatever. Please. I can do any other thing, just not plates.
Are you done?
I cannot put them in foamy water and please.
Convert this talk to washing of plates. Stand up and go to the kitchen. Move it!
Okay.
Move it!
Look, you better just.
Yeah, see they do. They do like all these things where they fly. Eh?
You better go to your gate. Achaka, yellow fever.
Simple my name. Pokripo. She they pronounce my name. Pokripo. You know if you find my name. Pokripo. They know if you find her.
Makes sense.
Georgina, see, as you see me, I stand with Okoro 100%.
Your own small. My own na 30 billion%.
Hey! Georgina, be calming down. Be calming down now.
You know wetin that little brat do to me? Me, I even think I would die before madam come back.
Eh?
Ha!
Even self, the way that girl they take insult everybody. The other day, I get man do this, get man do that, get man sit down here, get man bring this. I own too much. Hey! You get the other time when she call me getty man instead of get man.
That one small. Me where she look finish as a big rich so they call me Ojibra.
Ojibra!
Okay, you don't hear her.
Ojibra!
I beg, that girl they wash plate too, and you know say she never perfect. Let me go and teach her well.
Hey, wait. She sabi wash plate.
She don't dey learn small. I bet you won't see.
Seeing is believing, no.
You like gossip. Follow me.
Ojibra! Oh, sorry.
Don't start.
Georgina! Over!
How are you?
Fine, sir. They don't fit find me, sir.
What about the plate you used yesterday?
I don't bring her. She don't wash her. Yes, sir.
If there's another plate outside, they bring them for washing. Okay. Hey. What's that? Wash. Don't break those plates. Georgie?
I hope say you enjoy the cafe well. Say cheese.
Now this is like the niece since.
If you look at it, if you want more, you dey for freezer, I will give you.
My buffet.
So?
My.
Not only my. Now you are giddy. Now you are elahi wedu. Now you are chicha. My. Look at your mouth.
Oga Okoro. If you finish, let me know. Go. At the outside. Don't come here, I will bring her in the freezer. Just enjoy it. Go.
Perfect. Very perfect. Hey! Bulldog. Rottweiler. Wash.
Please, I beg you. I'm washing the plates and I'm almost done. Can you just keep that buffet from me?
The earlier you rush it, the better. If you take it slow, the better.
Hey, see what I'm doing?
You watching?
No, I'm cutting the leaves. You clean up the oil for me now. When it's dry, I'll bring it out and fry my plantain.
Come back here! Come back here. Where are you running to? Come here! Why are you flying like private jets? Huh?
What? The thing was doing shitty. It was doing poof, poof, poof. I don't know. It was gonna pour on my skin.
Yeah, he was doing shame. He was doing puff puff. It was gonna pour on your skin. Not only puff puff, it will do egg roll. Or even it will do small chops. He was doing shame. Eh? If it is to eat now, you will eat and eat and eat and litter everywhere.
It's gonna damage my skin, my face, everything, my nails.
Oh, close your mouth. Look at Georgina here. She has been doing this for ages. Have her face been damaged or her skin?
Can't you see it's already been damaged? That's why she's so comfortable around it, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngwa, come close. Teach her how to do that. Oh yeah. Cut. Show her how to cut.
What?
Can you see that? Oh yeah, give her, let her do. Oh yeah, cut. Give her, let her do it herself. Oh yeah, collect from her.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna
Hey, come back here. Come, Cynthia, come back here. Where are you running to?
When I left you back then, I was 3 weeks pregnant. Yes.
For who?
For you, Okoro. So I didn't tell you that time because I didn't want anything that would ruin my opportunity of getting married to Kelechi and traveling to the States with him. The pregnancy, I pinned it on him so that he will get married to me and take me to the States. That was why I didn't tell you, considering the fact that I didn't also want you to start running around me, following me here and there, so you'll be able to focus on your own career and life.
Bullshit. Armed bullshit. How are you sure I am responsible for that pregnancy? How?
You were responsible because I hadn't laid with Kelechi. You were the only one I had something doing with then. I only pinned the pregnancy on him, but I know very well that you are the one responsible for the pregnancy.
Wait a minute. The child you want me to discipline is my child.
Yes, because I failed as a mother to discipline my own child. And I know that the only person that can help me raise her well is the father. Considering the father, you are well known for being a disciplinarian. That was why I try as much as I can to bring her to you so you can help me train her.
You are very wicked, Pamela. Pamela, you are very, very wicked. Pamela, you mean we had the child together all this while and you are just telling me? You want me to applaud you for this rubbish? And this is all you can do? You're standing before me like a monster, vomiting nonsense out of your mouth. I am ashamed of you. I am sorry, my child. If I allow feelings to get in, I will end up making the same mistake your mother made. Yes. Hey, Aboma, get up from that bed. It's already morning. Aboma, get up. It's already 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Cynthia, am I not talking to you? Wake up, it's morning already. Cynthia! Come on, my friend, get up from there. Come on, get up. I'm talking to you and you are there doing well.
What's up? Like, what do you want?
I want you to wake up.
My phone. What? It's 6:45 a.m. How would you expect me to wake up by 6:45 a.m.?
The last time I checked, the only people that are supposed to sleep for 5 to 6 hours are people in the grave. And you are not in the grave. Or are you? Are you? So get up and go to the kitchen and start doing 1 or 2. Cynthia! Cynthia!
Ouch! What exactly do you want from me? Can you just let me sleep? Like, it's healthy for me to sleep for 8 hours and above. I'm a child, for goodness sakes. I don't even understand what you're talking about, grave and whatever. Just leave my room. I need sleep.
Sleep for 24 hours. No, sleep for 50 hours. You came into the world to sleep.
Get off me, please.
I just give you few seconds. If you're not in that kitchen, you'll see what I will do to you.
Oh my God! What is this? Why would you do this to me? Why? By this time of the morning, what exactly do you want me to do for you? By 6:47 a.m. What do you want me to do for you? Why would you even do that on my nightie? Do you know how much this has cost? Huh?
Try. I'm a man mini. The presence of our time. Queen Elizabeth VII. I am that I am. She that was and she that is to come. The prince of the land is here to serve you. And I have just done that. Come on, get up and go to the kitchen and start doing
Why would you do such a thing? Look, I don't want to ever... don't do that again. Don't do that again. My skin. I don't even know where you got that water from. Oh my God.
Am I the one you're shouting at? In fact, you're going to need them for the next 15 minutes. Oh yeah, on your knees.
No. No, come on.
Go on your knees.
I'm sorry, it was just a joke. Don't you recognize jokes when you see them?
Who are you joking with?
Come on.
Who is joking with you?
Please, yeah.
Who is joking with you?
Pour more water on me. I was just joking.
Do I look like a joker?
A slip of tongue, please.
To the kitchen. Move it!
Let me brush my teeth.
Want to brush your teeth? Look at her. Come on, cook on me in that hospital. Let's go to the kitchen.
I'm fragile, stop.
You're fragile. Hey, friend, go on. I'll flog you with this. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going.
Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives, oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they won't turn away. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go.
The water is coming.
So you are still here. You are not yet done mopping this small portion. Just look at only to mop this small portion of
It's not
curry.
small. That's where you get it all wrong.
Will you shut your mouth? I'm talking to you. Look, go and look at Georgina. She have almost finished her own.
She's an old woman.
And so, you're supposed to be more active than she is.
What? No! Who gave you that education? Look at the whole thing you told me to do. A kid like me, I'm not supposed to do this much work. I'm supposed to go to school, come back, have lunch, sleep, wake up, and then go to school again. That's it for me. Why are you telling me to mop the place?
Tata, come and suck breast. You were born last night. You're supposed to go to school, come back, sleep, wake up, insult your elders, and run your mouth. You did not put that one. You did not add running mouth. Or is that not part of your itineraries? Is it not part of your duty? Run mouth like parrot. You know what? When you are done mopping this place, you are coming to my room to mop my room now.
What?
Immediately.
What? No, I'm not doing that. I mean, how could you expect me to do all of this work and still come upstairs to clean your room? Look, I am gonna finish up with this, go inside, eat, and sleep. That is what I'm gonna do.
Perfectly said. You see that food eating? That is exactly where my attention is. You will not taste anything in this house today until you finish all I asked you to do.
What?
Yes.
What is not fair?
Get started immediately. Oh yeah, go back to your duties.
Leave me alone.
I am talking to you, you're dancing around. Oh yeah.
Wait. I'm asleep. I'm going to sleep. Wait. It's slippery.
Start!
The lessons we teach.
Wait.
Do it fast!
Can you go back to what you were doing?
I am not, for now you are my activity. I will face you as my own.
Stop coming close to me!
Come on here.
Ojibra, I want to tell you something.
Wait till you just come in.
Sorry, Madam Georgina. Look, let's work together. You know what my mom did is not right? She's supposed to put you in charge of everything in this house. Yes, but she just brought someone, that Mr. Okoro man, and put him in charge. And that is not fair. You've been working here for years and you're supposed to be the boss. So, I wanted to tell you, I'll put you in charge. Will you support me?
Cynthia, you show me, say, you want me to do something for you.
I didn't really understand anything you just said here, but I just need your help, okay? Look, I will put you in charge of everything in this house. Help me get this man out of this house.
The only person wey fit put person in charge for this house na your mama. And me and you know say your mama number no dey go since.
Please.
So who won't put me in charge?
Please, save all that gibberish. I will put you in charge. Just do what I ask you to do first and watch yourself be the boss of this house. In fact, I'll continue being small, madam. I don't have a problem with that. You'll be in charge of the kitchen. I'm going to give you the keys to the house. Even the gate man is going to respect you. I am going to respect you. And no more algebra. You are Madam Georgina. I'll respect you with everything in me. And anything you ask for, I'll give it to you. You just be equivalent to my mom in this house. I promise you.
Cynthia, I no go fit help you.
What are you trying to do?
What else? We came to the dining to eat, so trying to eat. What do you want from me now?
My dear, it is wise and godly to pray before eating. So can we pray?
I didn't put anything in the food. I cooked the food, so I'm sure it's okay. It's not drugged or whatever.
Hey. I know you cooked the food. I'm not doubting you. But you see, we are not praying against poison. Rather, we are thanking God for another meal. A lot of people out there don't even have one square meal to eat in a day. But you have it here. So you need to appreciate God for this. That is the reason you must thank Him before eating. So can we pray now?
My mother never taught me that, though.
You are learning it now. Your mother mustn't teach you everything. We learn even from strangers. Wherever it's coming from, so far as it's a positive thing, you need to learn it. We learn every day. We learn even in the street, market, church, anywhere. Just grab the positive impact, apply in your daily living, and you'll see yourself flying with beautiful colors. Okay?
Okay.
Can we pray now?
Father, thank you for the food.
Just that?
Father, we thank you for this food that you have given to us today.
Your prayer doesn't have base.
What do you want from me? I prayed. You said thanking God. I know I didn't add anything to the food, so I don't need to add protect us from our enemies. I'm not my enemy. So I already thanked God for the food, right? That's all you needed from me.
Prayer has base. There was no base on this prayer.
So what is the base of prayer?
It's okay. Fine. God have heard you.
Yeah. Good. I'm a child and God hears children.
I know.
Right?
Good. Eat.
Oh, see? Sticky, you know. What's the problem? Why's your face like that? What's that?
Only salt? How many bags of salt did you cook?
You know, I was told that cooking food you need to add salt to make it sweet. So I did like 5 of these spoons.
Hey! You told me to Lot's wife. We are not. Come on!
Oh! Stop shouting!
I must shout!
You're being over dramatic about it.
I should. You are the one being dramatic about cooking. Georgina!
Okoro! Can't take these things out of here, like...
Take what out of where?
It's salty. I can't eat it.
Test what your madam cook. Just test. Test it. Come here! You see it? Your food has become a table tennis where everybody dramatizes. Take her to the kitchen and teach her how to cook.
Get up.
Madam, get up.
I'm tired.
My friend, bring this one.
Can I at least get...
Move!
Calm down. Can I get like lollipop or popcorn so that I can... my mouth.
Not really like a lollipop. You get Larry Gaga. You will also get Mbadume. No, if you also want Teresa or no, I will add it for you. They will come and sing for you because you prepared bag of salt. Will you go, my friend? Stop my food. No, I will add Flavor Nabalia. Let Flavor Nabalia come and sing for you in the kitchen. Or even Cruz. Or CJ Okonkwo, let them come and prepare beat for you. In a show, if it is you now, oh, it's salty. It's like, always acting like foreign pussycat.
Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, we shape their lives. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives, oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away.
Cynthia, you're sleeping already. Sit up. I want us to talk. What? Sit up. I want us to talk about something.
I'm feeling very weak. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You're feeling very weak. Cynthia, you're running temperature. I'm sorry. Just hold on, okay? Come here. So that I can take this pill. It will help you till tomorrow morning.
Medicine?
Yes. What? No, you have to. You have to, eh? So that by tomorrow you'll be strong, okay?
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh no. Come up. Oh, sorry. Sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. Cynthia, sit up. If you don't want to take it, then stop running temperature.
I'm not running temperature.
Just now?
I promise you I'm okay.
You are not okay, my dear. Just this one. Bring your hand. Look at your body, very hot. Yeah, take. Sit up. Cynthia, baby, sit up. Sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry, my dear.
Two of them? No. I don't want to take it.
No, you will.
I cannot take it.
I promise I will buy you.
I don't want anything.
Do you want kuli kuli?
What is kuli kuli? Of me?
Kuli kuli. Cynthia, get up so you can test this, okay? I'm sorry. Sit up. Yeah, sit up so that you can take this while I prepare something for you to eat before you can take your drugs. I bought some drugs for you from the pharmacist down the street.
For me?
Yes, for you, my dear. Sit up. Easy. Sorry. Oh, but it's really hot.
Why are you doing everything for me? I mean, after what I've done to you, I've insulted you, I've assaulted you, and you're still taking care of me like this.
I should take care of you. Yes. If our Creator can forgive all our excesses and still take care of us, then who are we? See, everything you have done or everything you said you have done, I can't even remember them anymore. The only thing I can remember now is wanting you to eat so that you can take your drugs and be fine for us. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Come on.
I thought you hated me. I thought because of everything you wouldn't take care of me like this.
On the contrary, I love you. Yes.
But I don't want to eat anything. I'm not hungry. I don't have an appetite. Please, can I just
No, sit up. You can just a little, okay?
I'm full. I'm okay.
Full with what? Just sip a little. Sip. See, my dear, in Igbo land, it is an abomination for any son or daughter of the soil not to know how to speak his or her mother tongue.
Really?
Oh, yes.
My mom didn't tell me that.
Your mom never told you a lot of things. Henceforth, I'll be teaching you Igbo language. In fact, we'll be communicating in Igbo language more.
What? It's too hard.
I know. The harder, the better. You will learn it. We that are speaking it, we don't have two horns.
But I don't even have a foundation or someone to teach me.
The people that will lay the foundation is here. I have my shovel, I have my cement, everything I need to use to lay the foundation in you is here. That is the reason I'm here. Because it will be very, very useful for you tomorrow.
Oh.
Now, Bia Eba.
What?
Bia Eba.
How am I supposed to know what that means?
Come here.
Oh,
yes.
Come here. Bianeba. Bianeba.
Bianeba.
Bianeba.
Come here.
Bianeba.
Beautiful. Is that okay?
Yes.
In fact, Igbo language is going to be compulsory for you.
What?
By September, you'll be enrolled in school, and I must make sure it is one of the major subjects you're going to embark on.
No, I can't do that.
You must do it, my dear. You must. It's a must. It's a must. And by the time you learn it, you yourself, you'll be proud of yourself. Nobody will intimidate you again. Nobody will say anything behind you without you knowing it. Your pride should be your mother tongue. You learn it, you learn English, English is not your language.
This is going to be a whole lot.
I know. We have come to the end of today's lecture. And I want to really applaud you. In fact, you are doing very well.
Thank you.
Good. I want to give you an assignment. I want you to prepare a speech, a welcome speech for your mother who will be visiting us soon.
Is it going to be in Igbo?
Of course.
How do you expect me to write a whole speech in Igbo? I mean, this is my day one in learning Igbo. I don't even know anything in it.
If you can do all you did today, my dear, you can do it. In fact, I want you to shock your mother. Surprise her.
I'm gonna try. But I hope I do it well, though.
You will. I'm here.
I think the only thing I can remember from this whole lesson is Bianeba Biko.
Good.
Bianeba Biko. Bianeba Biko.
You're doing well.
Thank you.
I am proud of you already.
Thank you.
So, Guinea Bafagi.
My name is Cynthia. Is that what you asked?
Beautiful.
Is that what you asked?
That is it.
I got it. Ha.
Give me 5.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guinea Bafam.
My name is Cynthia. I told you before.
My own name.
Your name. Your name is Mr. Okoro.
Afagibo, Mr. Okoro. Guinea Bafam.
Sorry, what did you say?
Afagibo,
Mr.
Okoro.
So I have to say Afagibo first.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Guinea Bafam.
Afagibo, Mr. Okoro.
Beautiful. Alright. You can now leave. You're doing well.
Anamabali.
Oh my God! Anamabali. That means you're doing well.
Yeah.
Good.
What is your name? Oh, you want me to say, okay. Give me one.
Wow, you say it well.
Really?
High five.
Thank you.
Nema Batago, my mother is back. Nema Batago. Say it again.
Woo! I got it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Wow, I don't expect to be
Let
getting
me say it hard word now. Old people sound right.
what?
Old people sound right. Nema Batago.
How am I supposed to say that? Like the whole thing?
Calm down. Oh yeah, say old people sound. Old people sound.
See, they don't have it.
Say old people sound.
Obi Bunso Mori.
Old people sound right.
Obi Bunso Mori.
Obi people sound right.
Obi Bunso Mori.
Obi people sound right.
Obi Bunso Mori.
Woo! High five!
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Sir, please, I need your help.
What is it?
The thing is, Mr. Okoro gave me an assignment and he told me to write it in Igbo language. And he gave me time and the time is almost out. And Miss Georgina, she's not around to help me as she always does. So I came to you. I'm sure you have more knowledge in Igbo than I do. So please, can you help me? Huh? Mr. Wakiribo.
Now that name where you call where now? For that, I could help you.
Thank you so much.
No worry. Just sit down. Come sit down here. I will help you. Sit down. Like I bring chair.
Do you have a chair?
Yes, yes.
A welcoming speech for my mother in Igbo language.
Okay.
Yeah, I've written some, just a few sentences, but I don't know. I need to add more. I need to make the speech beautiful.
Okay. Now, first, my mother is back.
Yes, Miss Georgina told me that my mother is back is Nima Batako.
Nema Abatago.
Nima Batako.
Nem Abatago.
Yes, that's what I wrote here. Nemo
Abatago. Nemu Abatago. Yes. Like you want to say Nemu no.
Like I'm telling my mother no? Like mother no.
Mm-mm.
Is that not it? You just said
You
Nemo
just like
no.
welcome.
How is no? Oh, wait. No in Igbo is welcome.
Nemo no.
Nemo no.
Nemo no.
Nemo no.
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 Look at my mouth. Nemo no.
Nemo no.
Very good. Very good. Nemo no.
Nemo no.
Nema abatago.
Nema abatago.
Nemo no.
Nemo no. Okay. So what other thing would I add to it?
Like you say. Name Kenhi Goteram.
Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to
Mommy, I really missed you.
I miss you too, my daughter.
But wait, Mom, there's a problem.
What's the problem?
I mean, I called you all through and your line wasn't going. And I noticed you blocked me everywhere on all social media platforms.
I know. No problem. I will explain everything to you.
But wait, Mom, promise me the next time you'll go with me.
Next time you're going with me.
First off, I know you got me a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
Let me.
Una know say for long now, this girl head don't dey correct.
Hair or head? Come in English, you know, Sabi.
Head.
Oh, you call am where?
The girl head don't dey correct. But as the mama don't come back, who know whether she no go back to her old character? Eh? I who know wetin she go dey tell her mama inside.
Me, to tell you the truth, me I don't dey pray till make the mama no come back again. Because the girl don't dey behave fine, small. Me I don't dey like am. Now she go come begin misbehave again.
No.
You see, I am not afraid of a little child's journalism. Whatever she likes, she can metaphor. I don't care. The bone of contention here is that she is behaving well, like you said. Her head is gradually coming back like a human. So let us not be afraid of he that can destroy just the flesh. Are you getting my point? Let's put the force, because the memorandum of the random is that she is behaving well. In fact, to summarize it, let's put our hands and watch. Let's anticipate positivity. That is it.
You understand the English when you speak?
The summary of everything is just fold your hands and watch.
So just fold your hand and watch. Like this.
Over.
Oh my god. You know, I totally forgot that I'm supposed to wash the plates.
Are you sure you're here to wash the plates?
Yeah. And I see that you're already done. Let me just clean up this place then.
Madam, give me.
Mom.
Cynthia,
Yes?
did you put Maggi inside there?
No, not yet. Let me do that now.
You know what I asked?
Now I'm just gonna put one, okay? So this one, I'll just drop it right. And
Check.
okay. No,
Really? I need something else. Put a little salt. Okay. Yeah. I got it.
Sure, say pepper there, Maggi.
Pepper, everything is enough.
So you get one mistake where you did do. I will tell you.
What's that?
If you want to test them, no clean your hand for your body.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know. You know, my hand was really wet. So I thought to clean it before I...
You know they are hygienic.
Oh. Okay, I'm good. But the food is
Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away.
Cynthia, is this you?
Yeah, this is me. I know you're surprised. I've grown and I've learned a lot of things in these 6 months. And I'm really happy. Mom, do you know I can even tidy my room by myself now? I don't let Madam Georgina do it for me anymore. I don't really know how to cook, but I'm learning. I'm trying.
Okoro, this is wonderful. Please, Georgina! Georgina! Georgina, please come.
Ma, you called me?
Yes, I did. Georgina, please go out there and call Okoro. Tell him to come so we sit together and eat as one big family.
Thank you, ma.
Wait a minute. Sit together and eat? When did you start eating together with your workers?
That's how I do every year. It's like a yearly ritual. I like to come together as one big family with my workers. Everybody will sit on one table. I eat as one big family. It doesn't matter if you're blood or you're not blood. What matters is that we all are sitting together and eating in one accord.
Wow.
And again, Okoro, I want to thank you specially, very, very specially, for molding this baby for me. You did a wonderful job. Mr. Okoro, thank you so much. I am very grateful.
It's fine.
God bless you.
Thank you. I'm sure she have another surprise.
Yes, I have another surprise for you.
Another surprise?
Yes. Mahabia. I gave baby to Kwani. Akwe kwadoko onwegi.
Oh my goodness! So you don't speak Igbo?
Yeah.
Oh! Okoro. Okoro. Okoro, I'm very grateful. God bless you. Look at her.
right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives, oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away.
Are you sure it's the right time to tell her?
Yes, whether now or later, I will definitely tell her. She needs to know. So, it's even better we do it now that you're still here. Yes, I think it's the right time. Let's tell her.
Guess who we have here? My name is Mr. Okoro.
Can you say that in Igbo?
Afambo, Mr. Okoro. So today I'm gonna play as Mr. Okoro. Can you see my cap? This is not exactly your cap, but it looks good, right?
Yeah.
The glasses. I am Mr. Okoro, one of my kind. The first of its and last of its kind. So I decided to dress like you today to tell you, to show you that I'm grateful for everything you've been doing for me.
Wow.
In this past months. I'm really grateful for everything you've been teaching me and for the scoldings. Even though, how do you even survive in this thing? Like, it's so hard. But I'm gonna wear it all day. I'll just try wear it all day. So Mom, you said you wanted to see me. Is there any problem?
Yes, Cynthia, you know, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay, dive right in. I'm listening.
Cynthia?
Yeah?
I want to tell you something.
Of course, I'm listening. Go on.
Cynthia, I mean, your dad.
Mom, I'm listening, okay?
Cynthia, the man you know as your dad is not your biological father.
What do you mean?
I married him because of the pressure from my family and the fantasy of getting married to a wealthy man that based in abroad. And before I got married to him, I had a boyfriend. I had to break up with him. I was a few weeks pregnant for my ex-boyfriend before I broke up with him, then married you.
Wait, you're saying my dad is not my biological father?
Yes.
So if he isn't my biological father, then who is? And why haven't you told me about this since? Who is my biological father? Mr. Okoro?
Yes.
Are you serious? Mr. Okoro is my...
Yeah, he is.
Did you know about this?
Before 6 months ago, I didn't know. But all the while I was in this house, I know you are my daughter. But I don't want that to get into me. I didn't want to make the same mistake your mother made. That's the reason I was doing everything humanly possible to make sure I give you the best. I don't know how you will take it.
Are you kidding me? I mean, this is good news. I mean, for so
long. I've been thinking the man I had as a father was a psychopath because he beats my mom at every given opportunity. I didn't like that. It made me feel sad. But you're a better person. You're intelligent, you're calm, you're gentle. Even though you look very scary with that cane. But you've never ever used it on me before. You made me a better person. You changed me from being the spoiled brat I used to be. You taught me manners. You taught me how to speak my own language. You're a total upgrade to the man I used to know as my father. Okay?
Does that mean you accept me as your father?
Yes! Even though you're dressing, I still don't like it. Coat, the cap and everything. But I'm glad you're my father. I'm really glad.
Come, my baby.
Okay, stop crying, okay? So tell me, are you going to be living with us now?
I won't make you that promise. But one thing for sure is I will always be here. I must make sure I check up on you.
Thank you, Dad. And so, from Professor Cynthia. Are you going to get married to my mom? Yeah, after everything's said, you suit each other, and I mean, my mom is single. She's no more married to my stepdad, right? Right? And are you married? I mean, yeah? No? Good! Perfect! Right? So I guess it's a perfect match, right?
Every morning, great is thy faithfulness, O Lord, great is thy faithfulness. In the morning, early in the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord.
Good morning.
Good morning, Lord.
I know you come from
Heaven above, the Holy Spirit is on the throne. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord.
Oh my god, I never want to sing.
I will enter.
I don't know how to sing it.
Go ahead, you try. Okay, do another one.
I say, I will enter.
I will enter his grave with
thanksgiving
in my heart.
I will enter his court with praise.
Oh.
I will say, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. He has made me glad. Sing it in Igbo now. Ome womuma, let's hear how. That's a lovely one.
But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to sing it, okay? Because I learned it. It goes Ome Moroma, Ome Moroma, Anamarina Ome Moroma.
Come, please come. We have to do another thing now.
Okay.
We're going to do this TikTok challenge that people used to do now. Hold this phone, stand here. It's going to be our tripod. Yes. Hold it like this. Don't cut anybody off. Hold it like that. Yeah, Mama, you are the front.
So what am I gonna do?
You tell us your position in the family. Are you the mother?
Oh, I know the jelly.
Uh-huh.
I'm not the father. I'm not.
Ah!
I can do it.
Let's go.
Are you ready? Sir, say action when you're ready.
Okay. Make sure you are recording. Have you pressed record? Press record. Good. Good.
Okay.
And let's go.
When you're ready, say action.
Okay.
Action.
I'm not the dog.
Yeah, you can do
Let's
it.
go again. Let's go again. I'm not the father of the house. Let's go. And the action.
Okay. Action.
I'm not the father of the house. Obviously, I'm the daughter.
Okay, I'm not the father of the house, I'm the mother of the house.
I am the father.
He's the father.
Yeah, I am the father.
He's the father.
Yeah, and we are family.
Yeah, one big family.
Yeah. Bokripo, come and tell us who you are to the family.
Yes, come and tell us, who are you?
Stand here.
You see what we just did now.
All right. Are you ready? And action.
I'm not the father where they for house. I be
Okay.
working for. You know, if you find
No,
me.
cut. What are you in the family? You're the gate man.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're the gate man.
Okay.
You can also call your name, but you're the gate man. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, action.
I'm not the father of the family. I'm the gate man of the house.
The pocket
The Okoro gate man.
They don't fit find you.
They know if you find me.
Where is
Where's Madam Georgina?
Georgina!
Oh, she's not around. She's in the
I think she
kitchen.
might be
It's
more.
alright.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, so you can do anything for me. Anything for me.
Trending right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Not just to lessons to teach, the love we give, share their lives. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older, they wouldn't turn away. Guiding them to learn how to stand, not just in words, but in what we do. The lessons we teach, the love we give, shape their lives, oh, forever. Train them right, teach them strong, show them the way that they should go. So when they grow older,